In this short video, I'll show you how to mute and unmute someone's WhatsApp status updates. Whether you want to declutter your feed or just take a break from seeing someone's status updates, this feature can be a real game changer. Have you wondered what happens when you mute someone's status update? It's simple, you won't see their updates in your recent list, but you can always unmute them later if you change your mind, and we're gonna see how it's done. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, including managing privacy and notifications on WhatsApp. Today, we'll explore how to mute and unmute WhatsApp status on Android and iPhone, ensuring you have full control over what you see on your feed. Stay with me until the end to find out if someone muted you on WhatsApp. Now, let's get started on how to mute and unmute someone's WhatsApp status updates. To start, head over to your WhatsApp application and make sure it's updated to the latest version to avoid any issues. To mute someone's status updates, go to the Status tab where you see recent updates. Tap and hold onto the contact's update until a pop-up appears. Next, select Mute. With this, new status updates from this contact will no longer appear in your recent updates. Before we explore how to unmute a contact, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now, let's continue with how to unmute WhatsApp status on Android and iPhone. If you want to unmute the contact, scroll to the bottom of the Status tab and find the Muted Updates section. Next, tap and hold the contact's update and select Unmute. This process works similarly on both Android and iPhone. But what if you suspect that your WhatsApp status updates have been muted by some of your friends and want to know who has done it? No worries. In this video linked here, I will walk you through the easy steps to find out if someone muted you on WhatsApp. Click to watch it after this. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.